everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngefamily ke yakwaMbatha. Guys, uNtokozo Mbambo has been receiving ama congratulation messages laphana ke einkundleni zokuxhumana. This is after social media suspected and concluded ukuthi ke uMambambo uzithwele noma ke balindele ke indodana noma indodakazi nobaba ke uMbatha. The Mbambo family guys is one of the secretive family that I know like ku entertainment industry noma ke ku gospel. So guys, I doubt ukuthi she will ever share the news to the public. She's not that kind of a person okhuluma ke indaba zakhe ezinjalo einkundleni zokuxhumana. Ubaba ke uMbatha noma ke ubaba uNqubeko Mbatha noNtokozo Mbambo, they are blessed with two daughters that social media never saw their faces, which is a good thing guys. Kule cruelty ke egcwele la einkundleni zokuxhumana. Phela ke la einkundleni zokuxhumana guys nanto nje aba evil abavele nje ba attack ingane yakho, uyabona nje. So I think they are doing into e right ukuthi ke bangayivezi ingane zabo bayiprotect ngayo yonke indlela abangayiprotecta ngayo kule cruelty ke ekhona ezinkundleni ke zokuxhumana. With all that being said, we are really happy for them guys. Do check those pictures and make your own judgment guys. But nami ngibonile ukuthi hayi yena ke uMambambo uyayigqoka impahla ezivulekile, but this time hayi uyabona ukuthi ke kukhona ikhekhe ke elibhakwayo laphana ke ku oven wakhe. That brings us to the end of this video. Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.